Hi, hello everyone. Today in this video, you are going to learn about the name changing process. I am making this video to bring the awareness among the people who don't know about this method and for the people who are still having a doubt in this process. Coming to the point, first you have to know what a name is. A name is an identity of a person, nothing more special or specific involved in it. It means a name is just used to recognize a person particularly and identify him easily. And this name was classified into three parts: first name, middle name, last name. It is also called as surname. Generally and mostly in the northern regions, the surname is placed at the end of the name, where you can find out in the names, for example, like Narendra Modi, Sonia Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal, Mukesh Ambani. And in the southern regions, the surname is placed before the name. Example: Y.S. Jagan, Nara Chandrababu, Kunidela Pavan Kalyan, Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar, like this. Okay? The moment I started explaining about this topic, there might be a question raised in the minds of the people who are watching this video like, why should we change our name? My dear friends, there can be and there are several reasons to change your name, such as number 1, you can change your name because of the mistakes in the name or surname. Number 2, the name kept by your parents may be outdated. In such case also you can change your name. Number 3, in recent days many of them are believing the astrology or numerology, and according to that they want to make changes in their name either by adding or removing an alphabet in the names. And in some cases they can also remove their name completely and change their names into a new form also. Number 4, changing of name because of change in marital status. Number 5, change of name can be done because of conversion to another religion. Number 6, change of name because of adaptation. And irrespective of the above mentioned reasons, you can also even change your name. It means there is no need to provide any reason for changing of your name in the application, because there are no restrictions issued by the government asking you to provide the reason mandatorily. Okay? And there are certain conditions and procedures to change your name, which I am going to explain you now. And coming to the conditions part first, the first condition: there should not be any police case against the person who wants to change his name. For this, you have to take a certificate from the nearest local police station by visiting it, and the certificate should contain a statement stating that there are no cases filed against you. Condition number 2, you should be an Indian citizen. This certificate is given in MRO office. Condition number 3, the person who wants to change his name should be a sound minded, whereas lunatics, unsound minded, mentally retarded can't change their name. Fourth condition, in case of minors, a guardian of minor such as parents, adopted parents, local guardians are allowed to change the name of a minor. If you clear the above conditions, then you are eligible to start the procedure to change your name legally along with the certificates you have. Certificate means any certificate which was issued by the government, such as birth certificate, Aadhaar card, voter card, ration card, PAN card, anything which was issued by the government. To complete this procedure, there are certain steps to follow. Step number 1, you should make an affidavit on 10 rupees non-judicial stamp paper, and that affidavit should contain your old name, which means the present name, your father name, followed by age, address, city. And the next column, the affidavit should contain your new name, followed by your father name, age, address, city. In case you are changing your name because of change in marital status, Then your affidavit should contain your previous name, which is a present name, father name, age, address, city. And the next column, new name, and your husband name followed by your husband name, which not your father name. You're changing your name because of change in marital status, so you should mention your husband name, age, address, city. Step number 2, you should give a public notification advertisement in both local, which means a regional, and English language newspapers. And that advertisement should contain your present name, which means old name, and your new name, father name, age, gender, address, city. Third step, you should go to MRO office and submit the application along with certificate from police station, affidavit, public notification newspaper advertisement, ID proofs, 2 passport size photos. With this, after applying, they will give a certain particular date to collect your certificates. After collecting it from them, you have to visit a government printing press, because the government printing press will publish your name in Gazette. Gazette means an official magazine published by government. This gazette published by central government from central government printing press known as Central Government Gazette, and the gazette published by state government from state government printing press known as State Government Gazette. And this gazette contains ordinances, GOs, acts, court related matters, and any other official news related to government. Whatever comes in the gazette should be considered as authenticated. And this gazette are 4 parts, whereas your change of name or religion or surname, change of alias, change in name or change in gender will be published in part 4 of the gazette in private bodies and private individuals with a legal procedure. Now by enclosing that gazette, you can officially make changes in your name on Aadhaar card or ration card, etc. My suggestion was, in spite of publishing your name in the Gazette of State Government Gazette, try to publish your name in the Gazette of Central Government Gazette by submitting your application to the Office of Controller of Publications in Delhi. You can submit it either through post or by hand, where it takes hardly a time period of 1 month to get it published in the Gazette. That's it. I suggested you to publish in the Central Government Gazette because there are some organizations or sectors which are asking for the Central Government Gazette, which is published by the government printing press, to make changes in your name. Suppose if your name was published in the Gazette of State Government Gazette, and if someone asks about Central Government Gazette, then you have to again apply for Central Government printing press, and you have to wait for another month to get your name published in the Gazette of Central Government. All this takes an extra time consumption and more expenditure. So maximum try to publish your name in the Central Government Gazette first itself. Okay? However, suggestion is mine and the decision is still yours. Now I am going to clear some general questions which comes to your mind right now. First one, how many times can we change our name? Only once in a lifetime. You can change your name only once in a lifetime. You can't change your name whenever you want. The next question was, can I make changes in the certificates issued by the universities by enclosing the gazette containing the change of my name? No. No need to apply for change of name in the certificates which are already issued. They remains as it is in the same manner. And they change your name only with a court order, where it is done rarest of the rare case. Suppose if the name printed incorrectly on the certificates, then you can approach the college or board or university, whichever is concerned, within 3 years from the date of the certificate issued, where they can rectify or correct your name. Okay? And the next question, can I change my name on Aadhaar, ration, voter cards, etc. with this gazette enclosing? Yes. And last but not least, this gazette is valid internationally. By enclosing this gazette, you can even apply for a visa. And that's it. I hope you all understand the complete process. If there are still any more doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share the video to your friends and family. Thank you. Bye.